Hey guys, Slynk here with another tutorial, and today we're going to be taking a look at satellite plugins, which is a collection of VST plugins that enables cross-platform collaboration. So for example, if you use Ableton and you have a friend that uses Logic, I don't know why they're using Logic, but anyway, and you want to collaborate with that person, you can run satellite VSTs in your respective DAWs, and that creates a connection that allows you to collaborate. It's probably easier if I just show you how it works. So let's get started. By the way, big thanks to Mixed In Key for sponsoring this video. Mixed In Key are the creators of satellite plugins, and normally this is the part of the video where I give you guys some kind of discount code, but satellite plugins is free. So I'll just put a link in the description. So it comes with 3 plugins: Sessions, MIDI, and Audio. And all you really need to do to get started with satellite plugins and get collaborating with your friends is just drag one of these in onto a new MIDI channel, because it's technically a VSTI, which is kind of cool. And this plugin allows you to create a new session or join a session that your collaborator has already created, and then you can see all the sessions that you've joined in the past and then rejoin them if you like. The other 2 plugins here, Audio and MIDI, these are used on individual channels to send the audio to your collaborator via satellite sessions. So probably the easiest way to show you how this all works is to get a friend on a call and have a bit of a jam. So let's call up Father Funk. All right, so I got Father Funk on a call here.
Yes.
Let's try out this satellite sessions business. Gonna drag a satellite sessions in to the project. So I'm in Ableton 11 and you're using Ableton 10, is that right?
Yep.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool.
Archaic.
What is this madness? So we'll call the session Father Slynk. I'm not sure what key or scale we'll use, but I'll just call the description Funky Shiz. And I got to invite Father Funk to the session, so we can do that by email, but I've got him on Zoom right now. So I'll just click this little tick button here and then copy the code, paste that to him on Zoom. We should see Father Funk pop up here in a second. There he is. And we can change his status from viewer to VIP, and now he's able to add tracks and stuff. So I've already got some drums in here. I'll just throw a satellite audio on that drum track and we'll just name the stem drums. And then I'm just gonna hit play in my DAW because this red button is ticked. It's gonna record it. Just like that. Now uploads it and...
Well, hey, there it is.
There it is, okay.
Right, let's record some guitar.
Cool. Oh yeah, it just uploaded. Sweet. Maybe I can record a little bass line. If I'm okay at playing keyboards, sometimes I suck. We'll give it a try. I'm just going to record it first and then I'll upload it to satellite sessions after. I'm just going to hit record here. Cool. I think that sounds okay. Put a satellite audio down on the channel, call it baseline, and then just play it. Cool.
Oh, there it is.
That's pretty fast.
That is pretty fast.
What else do you want to add?
I reckon we should throw down a bit of clav on there. Wouldn't be funk without a bit of sexy clav, would it?
Maybe I'll work on like some Rhodes, some like nice smooth Rhodes chords.
Yes.
All right, let me get another channel up.
All right, I'm going to record this clav in.
Cool.
There we go.
All right, let's take a listen. Just a couple little like chicken plucks. Bark, bark, bark.
Getting a serious porno funk vibe going here.
Yeah, definitely. All right, let me get some smooth chords. I'm just going to adjust the MIDI before I upload it because I was a bit rough in the beginning. So let's trim that off.
Cool.
That's probably good, just like that. All right, get a satellite audio on there. Call it Rhodes. Nice.
Sweet, there it is. So fast.
It's so fast. It's crazy.
What a world we live in.
Wow. So actually also there's a setting in here, mute my recorded stems while the plugin is closed or minimized. I've got that turned off so that I can close satellite sessions and then just... And like all my stems that I've recorded still play. So what else are you thinking, dude?
Well, I think we should probably get some wah on there. We definitely need some sexy wah pedal guitar action.
True,
Let me see what I can
true.
do.
Should I break out the talk box for this one?
I think it'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? Alright, let's try some wah guitar. Oh yeah! Okay!
Did you put it in already?
I think so. That's what she said.
Let's see what it sounds like. Nice. Pretty smooth.
Yeah, something's about to go down.
Yeah, something's about to go down. Someone's just said, let me slip into something a little more comfortable.
It's the plumber.
I'm here to clean the pool. So what kind of lyrics should we go for here?
Well, I think we just answered our own question there, didn't we? Going for a mustache ride. Gonna ride it all night long. Oh yeah. Going for a mustache ride. With the Slynk and for the funk, baby.
Something like that.
Yes, something like that.
If you're not saying baby on the talk box, you're doing it wrong, eh?
Totally.
Nice.
Nicely done.
Obviously from here, we'll probably move into one session, you know, maybe I'll start dragging and dropping these pieces out and then arranging it into a song, you know, like drag that piece out. Now we've got the guitars over here. And then we can start setting up some sidechain and other more detail orientated things. You know, that's how powerful this plugin is. It's really quick to just jam an idea out together with your friend online. It doesn't matter which DAW you're using, you know. You know what, actually, the Clav, can you send me the MIDI for that? I think I've got an idea.
Okay, cool. So, I'm going to create a MIDI track. Satellite MIDI on it.
Nice.
Did you get that?
Yeah, it's sitting right there. This is awesome. I can just drag that out now. Just throw it on this instrument I just added.
It's got some serious Toto energy, that preset.
By the way, when you added this MIDI in, I can actually preview the MIDI on its own with a few different sounds here. I think they're going to be adding more sounds. Yeah, I think they're still working on improving this section, but I'm just going to turn it off. I feel like we're in the same room almost, you know, we're on Zoom and it's so easy to just like throw something in really quick. I'm into it. And the fact that you can use any DAW.
Yeah, that's probably the best thing. I think this is the kind of part of the songwriting process that I think is most important, to be collaborative. Like once you've got these kind of ideas flowing, it's kind of all just tinkering. And I think it's hard to have a real collaboration with someone without being in the same room as them during this part of the process. So this plugin kind of enables you to properly collaborate during the early stages of the song.
Yeah, definitely, man. Like all the mixing and mastering and stuff can come later, but just getting as many ideas out as possible in a short amount of time is really the goal. And I feel like Satellite Sessions helps with that quite a bit.
Being able to bounce off each other as well is pretty great.
Yeah, it's cool. If you're watching this video and you think, damn, I'd like to grab those stems or do something with them, you can actually just drag Satellite Sessions into your project on whatever DAW you're using and then click join session, type in the code. The code's right here. I'll put it in the description and then you can join the session and all the stems are here. So knock yourself out.
Boom.
Go for it. If you want to have a play with them, post in the comments if you do anything cool with them. So fast forward a little bit and we have a bit of a song happening now, just a bit of a proof of concept, but I just sort of fleshed it out a bit. I re-recorded the talk box so it sounds a little cleaner. I've got some sidechain in the drums. I added like a little brush kind of drum thing here, just as like an extra texture. But this guitar and the clav and the wah guitar, I've just dragged straight into the project from Satellite Sessions, and I've removed all the Satellite Session plugins at this point. I also went into the bassline MIDI and really paid attention to exactly what the timing was. I wanted it to sound loose and I really focused in on those details, but essentially the idea is the same. I have added a few ad-libs and stuff here in the talk box, but now everything's just a little bit tighter. Check it out. And the talk box is cool too.
Mustache ride, mustache ride. Gonna ride it all night long. Very long ride on the mustache.
I used my headphones to listen to the timing of the song, and then I played the talk box with my headphones on rather than having the sound coming out of the speakers and bleeding straight into the microphone.
Gonna ride it all night long.
And you can hear the keyboard keys slapping as I run my finger down, but I kind of think that adds to the vibe. And then I got a couple layers here.
All night long. All night long.
And those layered.
All night long.
And all three.
All night long.
And then this extra little ad-lib here.
Very long ride on the mustache.
And I realized after the fact, I said, and the Slynk and Father Funk, and I kind of messed up the lyrics. So I redid it a little bit better here.
Oh yeah. With Slynk and the Father Funk. Yeah, baby.
With Slynk and the Father Funk. I don't know what I said before. You just have to get those ideas down first, before you can sort of refine them. And with Father Funk's wah guitar, I actually added a little bit of processing here because it sounded like this. Super dry. So with the new chorus ensemble effect, I added a bunch of chorus and a little bit of saturation and stuff. And it sounds like this. Cool. Well, that was fun. That was fun. And big thanks to Father Funk for hanging out. And we actually decided to use the song we wrote today for Father Funk's weekly Funk Jam log for this week. So make sure you go over to his channel and check out the music video for this track and all of his other Funk Jam logs, which are all brilliant. He basically writes a funky song every day and puts it all together in a little video. You got to check it out. I'll put a link in the description. And also Satellite plugins, I'll put a link in the description to download those for free. And I'll put the code that we used in Satellite Sessions in the description, and you can download the stems that we created today and use them in your project. Cool. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Thank you.